This is a method for the detailed characterization of nitrogen species in jet and diesel fuel. It allows a user to generate compound class level information about the distribution of nitrogen within a fuel, which can provide greater insight into fuel behavior and performance. This method uses cost-efficient, commercially available instrumentation, allows for quantitation from a single standard, and requires limited sample preparation.
The secondary GC column must be looped within the modulator, and if it's not aligned perfectly, the chromatography would be useless. So just take your time to get it aligned.
Before beginning an experiment, perform the calibration standards as indicated and add 1 milliliter of each standard into individual gas chromatography vials. For column installation, first place a 30-meter primary column into the gas chromatography oven and connect the column to the splitless inlet. Cut 2.75 meters of the secondary column and use a whiteout pen to place a mark on the column at 0.375 and 1.375 meters. Place the secondary column into the ZoX modulator column holder and use the marks as guides for creating a 1-meter loop within the holder. Use a micro-union to connect the shorter end of the secondary column to the primary column. To check for a successful connection, turn on the gas flow and insert the open end of the column into a vial of methanol. A successful connection can be confirmed by the presence of bubbles. Place the column holder into the modulator and adjust the loops.